Today we're gonna discuss Gala. It's been a while since I do a Gala video. Since the FTS saga, we have seen a lot of crypto projects at the bottom right now. Most investors are waiting for Bitcoin to get to about 9,000. But guys, I think there's still a long way to go. And right now, I also want us to discuss more about the Gala Games project and what we might expect in the coming weeks. I think there's huge upside for Gala, and I just want us to look at the chart to see the different opportunities that we have with this project. As you can see here, this is the 4 hours time frame. Let me go to the 1 day time frame so you can see at the, let me just go to the 1 week time frame so we can zoom this and look at the bigger picture. Now look at where Gala is. Look at, I consider this 0.02, this zone here 0.0212 as the bottom. But guys, if say we go to CoinGecko, we now realize that the lowest low of Gala was at 0.000013475. That is about 20,000% growth from that lowest low, right? That all-time low. And looking at where the price is right now, I don't expect Gala to go back to that all-time low. I think Gala is gonna hold at this point that I showed you guys. You can see, let's go back to the chart of Gala so I can bring this more clearer. Now guys, when you see this, look at this where Gala is holding like right now. I think we might come back to retest this 0.02479 time frame, and from there we can skyrocket. You can see all these lines that you see here are different zones, support and resistance that I have marked. These zones are very important for me when I'm buying, trading and so on, because these zones are either zones where investors are gathering momentum to hold, buy more, or maybe sell. Now when you look at the chart, you can see that the FTX saga is caused the price of most crypto projects to be stagnant. Investors are not feeling that confident enough to buy and so on. But now why am I buying Gala? Like, why am I stacking Gala in my portfolio? The reason why I'm stacking more Gala right now is because of what Gala is all about in the first place, the future of this project. When I look at what they're all about, you can see, if I go down here so I can clearly show you guys what Gala is all about. What is Gala? Gala is a blockchain gaming ecosystem. Gamers can explore different type of games and have their experiences interact across each other on the Gala platform. The Gala token is the utility token and primarily medium of exchange of the ecosystem. Game items are represented as NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, and users can trade them on all marketplaces. Now, if say you guys understand the future of cryptocurrency, metaverse, Web 3.0, NFTs, you're gonna understand that most of the platforms that we see right now are gonna be the platform that are gonna exist in the future. So the Gala game platform is still young and they're still building. If say we want to understand what most companies are building, like Meta, Facebook Meta, they have more than 100 billion that they are focusing on developing the metaverse. Now, why is this important? It's important because we see Facebook and Google are one of the biggest companies in the world. Apple, Facebook, and these companies have huge data. They understand what people want, how they interact, their mindset. They have enough data. And when you see Facebook, one of the biggest tech companies in the world, investing highly on metaverse project, then we should understand that there's something about this metaverse or stuff which is one of the like the main part of Gala. The Gala games is going to be on in the metaverse, and they are working towards NFTs as how we're going to represent most of the players. Now this is important looking at the future. That's why when I look at the price of Gala right now, it gives me the mindset to want to accumulate more of this project, looking at the future. But for the short term, of course, there's always going to be fear in the market, volatility, and so on and so forth. I'm talking to people who understand the long term in this game, in this market, right? So when you look at, for example, what happened with FTX, the FTX platform is one of the reasons why we are trying to avoid, centralized control when it comes to crypto. You cannot allow one platform to take control over your future, right? That was just a platform, and it has caused fear in the market for those who don't understand what crypto is all about and are driven by fear. So because of this, the price of Gala and other cryptos are down, and this is an opportunity for most of you out there who have seen the future, who understand the future of cryptocurrency, and most of the projects that are going to be successful, Gala and many others that are out there, not only Ghana, because I'm not buying only Ghana, I'm buying most of my top project, and the same reasons why I'm buying Gala are the same reasons why I'm buying other tokens, right? Of course, it's not exactly the same, but I always make sure I understand the technology behind the project, and so far I've understood the technology behind the Gala game. That's why I can, tell you guys, with certainty, with conviction, that Gala is one of those crypto project that is gonna be here for a long time, despite what is happening. What happened earlier with Gala, most people thought it was kind of like a hack, or yeah, but the Gala community said it was just a malfunction of the algorithm, something like that. And I think, guys, when we look at the platform, the Twitter page, you can see that they have huge community already, and they keep building. There's a lot of competition in this space, so much competition in this space. If we go to the metaverse, let's go to the metaverse project. You can see that Internet Computer, Theta Network, ApeCoin, the Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, Stack, NG Coin, Rika. But if say we go to the NFT section, I think Gala is found around the NFT sector. So if you go to the NFT section, we can see Chili's is the first, Flow is the first. You can see ApeCoin also is there, the 46. But let's go scroll down to see where Gala is. I think Gala is at 122. This is Gala Games, right? Gala is among the major NFTs platforms out there. From the top, you can see Chalice is there, Flow is there. I'm buying Flow as well. I'm holding ApeCoin, Tezos. I'm not holding Tezos. I sold my Decentraland. I mean, guys, all these different this project here have their different functions, like what they are all about. And despite the position where Gala is right now, I love the technology. I love what they have been. If not because of what happened with FTX, we have realized that FTX has been behind the downfall of most of this project, and Gala is one of them that was hit by FTX. And looking at what they are building, I can see that Gala is recovering from all these attacks left and right on the project. So guys, you can go make your own decisions as to what you want or what you want to do with your money. Of course, if say you are in this industry and you want to get most of the top project out there, then you need to be buying things that if say you are holding for the next 5 to 10 years, have some value. When you treat your investment for the long term, it's going to give you an amazing return. So that's exactly what I was trying to explain to you guys on this video. There's so much into crypto, NFT, Web 3.0, Web3. NFTs are the future, and there's nothing you can do without tokenization. And tokenization is based on cryptocurrency, right? So there's always going to be coins, buying this crypto, doing that exchange, buying that. It's not going anywhere. That's a fact. So you guys can actually check out Gala. Let's go to the chart again so we can see where the price of Gala might go. Now let's go to the lower time frame. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. You can see here Gala is moving sideways to an extent, it's moving sideways. But if I look at the 4 hours time frame, it shows that Gala is moving sideways. That means we have only one direction to go, either to the upside or to the downside. But whatever the case, right, Gala is here to stay. What we might expect in the short term is, let me just go back to the 30-minute time frame so we can see. Okay, we can expect Gala to pull back a little bit, back to 0.03246, right? It might get back to this, but if it breaks this resistance, then we might expect Gala to recover back to 0.4636, right? But I think it's gonna be a long way before we can break this resistance. It's a strong resistance, that I think it's gonna take a long time due to what is happening in the market. But also we have a strong support here at 0.02479, and I think it's gonna be a hustle also to break that support here, right? But guys, let's just keep our eyes open and look at the bigger picture. As I mentioned, if I zoom back again, you can see that Gala is at the bottom, right? This is, I look at it at the bottom. If say it goes even more downward, I'm gonna buy even more of this token. And if say we look at this again on CoinGecko, you can gonna see that Gala is down 95.6%. 95.6% from the all-time high, guys. So you don't want to wait for 2 more percent or 3 more percent before you accumulate. This is a time for you to accumulate, because Gala is not going to zero, nowhere, right? So you can check more of Gala. And if say you are still watching, guys, and you haven't yet subscribed, then do smash the subscribe button right now, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. And if say you want portfolio review, if you want someone to review your portfolio, you want someone to help you with what to buy, what not to buy, how to go about buying different projects, then you are welcome to use the links below this video to connect with me through Patreon, or you can join my Telegram group where you're gonna meet other crypto-minded individuals who are passionate in this space and are there to help each other go in this space. So reach out to me through the links below and let's do something together. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.